Hi and welcome along everyone. Today doing another thing in the old U10 air fryer, and today's one is bacon. Now I've got 5 rashers in there. As you can see, they're all good for fitting separately. You've got to lay a couple over the top, but all you've got to do when it starts to cook is to move them all around a bit. You will be able to get them flat on the surface once they start going, because they will all shrink as bacon always does. This just comes up really lovely in the air fryer, and we'll show you it now.
Right, switched on the mains, pop it in, it will automatically settle itself down to 18 minutes. We don't want 18 minutes, we want 5, but we do want 200 degrees, so we can leave it at that one, and off we go.
That's had 5 minutes now, so we've got to separate them now. As you can see, the ones on top are obviously doing a little bit quicker than the ones underneath, but we can separate them now and shift them around a bit. Now we're going to get a bit of room in here, and you will do as it kind of gets warmer and hotter, they will separate. So let's put the ones on the outside probably more to the middle. They will try and stick, but move the more done ones to the outside and put those ones in the middle. A little bit of fussing around, I know, but if you kind of want less fat, and that's what we're all after these days, isn't it? And a healthier way of doing it, I think this is the answer. We move that one round there. We could just squeeze it in there. Yeah, that'll be better. Okay.
What I like is that you can go off and leave this, whereas with a grill you can't, and it spits and spats everywhere, and you end up with a lot of cleaning. Whereas with this, it's quite an easy clean afterwards.
Yeah, and main thing is the fat is draining away underneath. So let's put it back on now. Going to give it another 3 minutes now. There we are then, that was a further 3 minutes, so we've had a total of 8 minutes, but as you can see they're now all fitting in there nicely. We're going to turn them over now, won't be for long now. As you can see they're nearly done. Depends how crispy you like them. If that's fine for you, as it is, it may be fine. You're ready, you can serve them up, but we like ours just a little bit more crispier. But that's
I'll put the kettle on then, shall I?
I think we need the kettle on, and I don't think you need to see me turning these over, a bit boring. There we are then, that's it done. That's the way we like it. Maybe overdone for you, you may like it a lot less done that, but that's how we like it, especially in our sandwiches, which we're going to have now. And I'll get these out of here and just show you how much fat there is underneath that's gone through. The bacon's out now, going in the sandwiches as we speak, and there is the amount of fat that has drained off of that bacon that's not now going into your belly. Good stuff. Okay then, so it's over to Jan and try the sandwiches.
Look at that, this makes a lovely change. Thank you, Al, for cooking me my lunch. It smells delicious. For all our videos, Doroton33. Thanks for watching.